Good afternoon, everyone. Beautiful day here. It is Monday afternoon, and I'm just going to head down to the ferry terminal to get some fish and chips. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. So here we go. I couldn't think of a better vehicle for a short little mission like this than the Buddy 125. Yeah, we're just going down to the water here. And there's a fun little fish and chips place. Oh, looks like we didn't make the light. That's okay. Oh, there's a good dog. Looks like we'll just be waiting here at the light for a minute. And then we're kind of just going down to this dead end to the fish and chips place. Alright, here we go. Dang, something smells good. Kind of smells like candy or something. I wonder if there's... Oh, it might be this little ice cream shop here. A crooked spoon. Okay, just coasting to a stop here. RV guy was letting me go, so here we go. Oh, couldn't tell if this guy was about to cross or not. Yeah, nice day. There's a big truck. And here we are. Fairhaven Shipyard. Oh, whoa. We'll just get an up front spot because we won't be too long. And here we are at the cruise terminal. Well, it looks pretty good. Alright, we're going to head back. I don't know if this will all fit. Gotta go like that. Alright, fish and chips Oh, this is funny. Look at this. There we go. Now, normally we might do a little bit longer of a ride, but quite frankly, I got to get home and have these fish and chips. So I'll probably see you guys in a bit. Let's give this guy a wave. Oh, got a small wave. Alright, so I'm gonna buddy up this hill. Let's go. Whee! Okay. There we go. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys probably later on this afternoon.